with Kufre Francis, no secret in fish farming. Yes, the video is right here, and today is a request video. A lot of people have been calling me, oh, Kufre Francis, show us how to siphon, show us how to transfer fry, show us how to remove debris, dirty from the bottom of the hatchery or nursery. Today I'm going to show you practically how you can do that, and why is it important to remove debris from the bottom of your hatchery. All right, it's a free video. Why don't you sit down, relax, listen, and then watch the practical section immediately after this introduction. All right, why is it that important for you to siphon your nursery or your hatchery pond? All right, for those of you that are into fingerlings production, a lot of you have been making a lot of mistakes. A lot of you have tried and said, oh, I'm not going to do it again. This is the last time I'm going to do this. Yes, it's because you've not been doing it the right way. And today, I believe, after watching this video, you're going to go back to the hatchery that you beautifully constructed, and then you're going to start afresh, and then you are going to achieve success. Because in Fish Academy, we keep no secret. That is the reason you have to subscribe to this channel if you have never subscribed to this channel. Why is it important for you to siphon your nursery or your hatchery pond? All right, as I said earlier, for those of you that are into fingerlings production, you cannot be a successful fish breeder if you don't know how to siphon. You can never, I'm saying it again, you can never be a successful fish breeder if you don't know how to siphon. All right, it is very important that you remove the dead eggs from the bottom of your hatchery immediately after you remove your kakaban. If not, the dead eggs will end up killing the live fish or the fish that have hatched out already. All right, how do you know bad eggs, and how do you know the eggs that are still alive? All right, those bad eggs are those eggs that have already turned white. All right, and then live eggs are transparent. Hello, are you getting me? Live eggs are transparent, while bad eggs turn white. Let me share a short story with you guys. Of recent, I made an advert on my Facebook page calling for fish breeders to show up or to apply in my facility. Some of them applied, and guess what? I ran an interview with some of them, and when I asked one of them, how do you know that it's a successful production after you strip your eggs and then you spread it on your kakaban? The person told me, oh, once you see all the eggs turn white, it means there is going to be a huge success. And I told the person, are you for real? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? And you said that you are committed, that you are real, that you are experienced. Oh my God, I'm sure a lot of you are experiencing such of these people in your facility, people that don't know what to do, but they claim to know that they know it. Please, if you are falling victim, just forgive them. All right, so how do you know? As I said earlier, those eggs that are already turned white, especially catfish eggs, they turn white, you know that those eggs are bad. And some of these eggs may have fallen to the bottom of your hatchery. My brother, my sister, if you don't get these eggs from the bottom of your hatchery, those eggs will end up killing your fish. All right, so as you proceed watching this video, all right, you are going to see exactly how to siphon your pond, how to siphon your hatchery or your nursery pond by just doing just that simple trick. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. That is how to siphon. That is how to remove debris. For those of you that have been sucking fuel from your tank or doing so many things, that is just the same method. There is no secret there. Okay, all right. So this is something that you go and pay huge amount of money to learn somewhere. I'm showing you for free. The only thing I will ask you, if you like this video, why don't you hit the thumbs up button as you watch, and then share this video with friends. All right, share this video. I'm giving it to you free of charge. Please share it with others. I'm aware that a lot of people play my videos and then collect money from people. If you are one of those persons, please desist from me. If I am not charging people on my video, why will you take my video and begin to charge people? All right, so if you are one of those, please desist from it. All right, so what I'm going to say right now, that is exactly how to remove debris from the bottom of your hatchery. And then for those of you that maybe you do production constantly, you can easily that same way transfer your fry from one pond to the other, from your hatchery pond to your semi-nursery or to your semi-hatchery, anyhow you want to put it. So it's the same method. There is no secret about it. So sit down, relax, watch the video, share this video, subscribe if you are new. We have over 450 videos on this channel. Watch and learn and share. Sit down, relax, and watch the video. So all you need to do is to put one end of the hose inside the pond and then suck the other end, drop it into a bucket while you allow whatever you want to remove, whether you are trying to remove the fry or you are trying to remove the debris from the bottom of the pond, anything you want to remove, this is the process. But at this point, I'm trying to transfer my day-old fry from this hatchery to my main hatchery pond. All right, so this is exactly what I'm doing. What you are seeing here are live fish. They are fish already, day-old fry. All right, this is how tiny they are. For those of you that do eat big fish, this is how they start. They start like sand, as small as sand, uncountable. All right, so I have to move them from this particular point to where I can care for them very, very well. All right, so this is just it. All you need to do is just for you to share this video, and then just do it like this, DIY. All right, all you need to do, try and get a hose like what you are seeing, something of a 10 mm diameter hose, and then you can use that to do your siphoning. You can remove your dirty just with this process. All right, so thank you very much for checking on this video. This video is going to be of help to you. All you need to do, just try and watch our videos and learn, share them, and also subscribe if you are new. Is your humble friend Kufre Ibarra Francis, the founder of First Fish Academy. I want to thank all of you guys for your support, for always checking on us, for making this channel your most preferred channel as far as fish farming is concerned on social media. So keep in touch and then stay live with us, stay connected. Always check on our channel to see what is new, for you to know if we have done something new, if we've posted new video. It's just for you to ensure that after subscribing you click on the notification bell. Once that is done, you will be notified whenever we drop new video. Thank you for watching.